Hi, let's finish our lesson 2 for math. We're going to play a game. And for your game, you need some supplies. So grab your toolkit bag, and inside that bag, take out an eraser. I think yours is made of cloth. Take out a dry erase marker and your dry erase board. Well, you get that out. I have some other supplies I need for our game, which are called my math gloves. I'm going to put on my math gloves right now. Oh, there's math glove 1, and then I'm going to put on math glove 2. Now, I just noticed they are looking a little rough. Like, I think they had a party over the summer because look, there's a hole. So just use your magic and pretend that is not there. How we play the game. I show you counting the math way. The math way is with my magic gloves. You write down on your board the number that I show you. I'm going to do it with you. We are going to do it 5 times and a challenge for number 6. Here we go. Here's the first math way of counting I'm going to show you. How many did I just do? Write it down. Now, if you're like, oh, Mr. Jones, you went too fast. Let me show you again. The math way. How many do you see? 1, 2. On your board, you should have written the number 2, and you can write it anywhere. I know mine's a little bit messy. No worries. Let's speed it up. Here's another math way, and I'm counting the math way. What is this number you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you probably already knew that without me counting to it. Okay, let's speed it up, and this time you're gonna count by yourself. Here's the new number. I'm gonna count whisper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you do your board? Did you write the number 8? Great. Let's do it again. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Write 10. To show you, write 10. Now, these next 2 I'm not going to write, but I'm counting on you to write them on your board. Here we go. Math way. 1, 2, 3. Did you write 3? Okay, this time, last one, I'm not counting with you, but I am going to show you. Math way, what was that one? What was that? Write it down. Last challenge one, let's see if you could do it. What was that number? How many fingers am I holding up the math counting way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I helped you out a little bit. Nice job with the game. You did fantastic. We're now going to clean off those boards. All right, we're done with that board at the moment. So clean it off, scrub it off. Scrub, 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 scrub. Tidy. Show me that scrubby clean board. Oh, I love it. Nice job. Now, I want you to think with me. I want to draw 7 apples. I love apples. And I know in my class, people said they like red apples and green apples and yellow apples. Somebody said blue apples, but I've never met a blue apple that I've eaten. So let's not say that one. Grab your dry erase marker and let's draw some apples. Now, when we're doing math drawings, I know it's kind of like an art project, but it doesn't have to be perfect because it's called a quick draw. So take your board and here we go. 7. 1. There's my 1 apple. See, it was a quick draw. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Now, I always love to look at my work again to make sure I did it correctly. I like to call that reviewing my work or checking my work. My mom always calls it double checking. So let's go and take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sweet, we got 7. Now in math, we always label our pictures and drawings so we know what number it was. So tell me what number we drew. Oh yeah, you're right, it's 7. Label it 7. We drew 7 apples. Now, put on your thinking hat, and I sure wish oh yeah, mine's invisible. I hope yours is invisible too. Put on your thinking hat and tell me a number that is in 7. Oh, what do you mean? Look here. Tell me a number. Tell me how many apples to circle. So tell me a number. And here's what that really means. I need a number smaller than 7. Oh, perfect. My friend back there, Jack, just said 4. Okay, so everybody, circle 4. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I circled 4. And now, in a spot, it doesn't have to be on the lines. I want you to write down that 4. 4. What is the other part of 7? That also means what is the other number of 7? Here we go. Let's find out. What is not circled? That's what we're looking for. What's the other part of 7? 1, 2, 3. We're going to write 3. Now we're working on more, so more means addition. More means plus. More means addition, and more means plus. Here we go. Write a plus sign. Who figured out what 3 plus, oh, I said that wrong, what 4 plus 3 equals? But I don't know, Mrs. Jones. You do know. You can look with your eyes. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that's a little bit too tricky for me because I forgot what was over here, so I'm just going to recount them if you need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, whoops, there you are. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Great work. All right, we're going to put those boards away, but I always love to clean. So clean, clean, clean. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. You have 10 seconds to clean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are done with our boards, okay? So we're going to cap our marker. I always love to listen. Did it snap? Because then it'll last a long time. So we're going to cap our marker. We have our eraser. We have our board. Let's put them back in our toolkit. We need them for tomorrow. Remember, this is something you're keeping safe. You're not using it as toys. It's a learning tool. So keep that safe right there. Now, in that bag, I need you to pull something out. So pull out your green math book. I know, mine has a little spot on it, don't worry. Green math book. And you're gonna open up. So open it up. I love that it's crispy and new. Keep turning and turning. And so I'm on one page, past page 1, past page 2, past page 3, past page 4, past page 5, and find page 7. Yeah, this is page 7. At the top of page 7, it says write your name. Okay, let's get a pencil out and write your name. Oh boy. Now, if I write in pencil, you won't be able to see it. So I'm actually going to write mine with a marker. You write with pencil because in case you make a mistake, that would be bad news and you could erase if you have an eraser. So write your name. And if you want to challenge yourself, try writing the date. So I believe, let's see, it's Tuesday, so it's no longer August, so you would write a number 9 by the date. Right? And then it's because it's not August, it's September. Then you're gonna write 1, and then another dash. The year is 2020, so you're gonna try to write 2020. Here's what that looks like. Write a 2, write a 0, write a 2, and a 0. I'll do it again with you. 2, 0, 2, 0. Ah, September 1st, 2020. Now I have my math book and I'm just going to do a few with you because I think that you could do the rest by yourself. Here we go. It says, look here. How many dots? And you're like, oh, cool, I could do that. But it doesn't want you to count the dots right away. It says just circle a part. So circle 2 parts. You're going to circle 2 parts that make the big number. That's called part, total. 2 parts that make a big one. Here's what you need to do. Look there and pick some to circle. I'm going to pick 3. Everybody circle 3. If you didn't already, do it right now. Okay, did you circle your 3? Oh, cool. They look beautiful. Now, whatever you circled, you're going to put in your little baby box. That's your part box. Count it. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. How many did we not circle? Also known as how many are in the other part? 1, 2, 3. Oh, good. Now, do you know what 3 plus 3 is? Or can you count all the circles? Remember that trick I was showing you about how you count on? 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 goes in the big box. Nice work. Let's take a look if you did it. 6 at the top. 3 plus 3 is 6. Remember, I told you I was going to do 2 more with you. So I just did number 1. Find number 2. How many circles do you want to circle? That's fun to say. Look there and tell me apart. Perfect. I heard somebody say 1. Circle 1 little dot. Now we're going to write it in the little box, which is called the part. Write 1. Because 2 parts make a whole. Okay, we've written 1. We've written 1. Now let's go find how many are not in the circle or the other part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me double check that I counted that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, good. Okay. So write 5 in the other small box. Nice work. Now I want you to go back and count all of them for the total. Or if you can handle it, start at the circle and count on. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. 6 goes in the big box. You have 1 more to do with me, and your job is to do the rest. There's some on this page, and there's some on the back by yourself. Try it out. That's your job as soon as we finish number 3. Let's look at number 3, and what do you want to circle on number 3? Oh, I just heard someone say 4. I love it. Let's circle 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle 4. Doesn't matter where you circle them, just circle the 4 dots. Okay, so remember what we do when we circle it? We write it in the part box or the little box. So here it goes, 4. How many are not in the big circle? What is the other part to this big number? Here's 4, let's count. The other part, 1, 2, 3. Put your 3 in. Now, we're going to count all of them, but if you like a good challenge, you're going to take this circle and then count on. I'm going to start with the challenge first. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if we count it the other way if we still get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What goes in the big part, boys and girls? 7. Cool. Take a look. Did you put that in? You have a job. I want you to finish page 7 and 8. What are you going to finish? Page 7 and 8. I'll see you all tomorrow. I hope you have a great rest of the day.